KIUMIA KIMWE kuma nyumba ya ngoroba 14 kumomoka mwena wa South Sea kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Mihang'o ya wira ni icokereirie ota mutugo mwena uyu. Ona kuhana uguo Onjoria guku ni macakaite na magatara hathara nene amu ihinda-ini riria mihang'o ya kweheria matigari ma nyumba ino irathiaga na mbere ni marahingite mawira mao.
Roads have been closed in this section of the city for the past 7 days. Businesses have suffered great losses. This is South Sea Shopping Center. It's a key shopping center for the community that lives and resides in South Sea. But we're happy to report today that majority of the debris has been cleared, the roads have opened, business and life has resumed to normalcy.
Kuringana na Onjoria ya ni ati maratara hathara ya muigana wa ciringi milioni 70 ciumanite na kwaga kwendia na thengia noguo angi magatara hathara yumanite na uici uria wakinyanirio nduka-ini ciao riria mutino ucio wa mahofanirie.
I got a big damage in my shop. Still we are not calculate what is the figure of how much is that, but also there from inside stolen a cash, stolen also our goods, more than 7 million approximately, but we did not figure out still today. So kindly I request to government, they support to us, they talk with a building owner.
We are losing business by the day, and as we know the economy of the country, whatever is happening in the country, if it continues like this, we lose more customers and businesses. To get them back is going to be very difficult.
Ona kuri uguo mihang'o ya gutheria ni kinyanirio, Onjoria magitariria mari na mwihoko ati mawira mao ni megucokereria guku ningi makiuria thirikari imahure njeki niguo mahote gukiria biashara ciao.
Till now we haven't seen any government agency coming to even audit what happened to the business community, which I think is the right step if they would took that step and come at least and stand with the business members. They've been taxpayers for long. They've been business members of the association for long as well.
Hamwe noguo ni moritie aki na ene manyumba gukoragwo na uigiririki wira-ini wao na cio honge cia guthurima ukinyaniru wa miako ukinyanagiria undu ucio na njira ya utheri niguo kurigiriria mitino ta ino gwicokera kuria ningi mateanirie ndeto ati gicunji kia 85 hari igana kia nyumba iria iri mwena uyu itikinyanirie ikiro ritana riao ari uthurimi ukinyanirio.
We do not deny that some buildings may require inspection, maintenance or corrective action. Safety is not about denial, it is about accountability and action. Where weaknesses exist, they must be identified through proper technical assessments.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV Getwo wa Mbui wa Njuguna.